Hi guys, today I'm going to draw a picture of a giraffe. I start with its body and its long neck. I add spots and color. I know a giraffe is cream colored and brown, and it has a long tongue. It uses its long tongue to eat leaves. Giraffes live on the savanna. The savanna is a grassland in Africa. It has tall yellow grass. Giraffes eat the leaves from the tree. They use their long tongues to reach around thorns and eat all the tasty leaves. I don't think leaves are tasty, but a giraffe thinks they're yummy. It took me a long time to draw all the leaves. I had to add so many different colors. I used 4 or 5 different colors of green. Leaves, 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 coloring the leaves. Now I add the giraffe and a blue sky, and there I have a picture of my giraffe on the savanna. Giraffes are so tall because of their long necks. They live in herds. Giraffes sleep standing up. Did you know that? My second picture is of an elephant. I started by drawing Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the tallest mountain in Africa. Then I started working on my elephant. I had to draw its big ears. The elephant's big ears look like a fan, and its long trunk. I drew 2 tusks and a big fat body. I wanted my elephant to be spraying water or taking a shower, so I used its trunk to throw water in the air. After I drew the elephant and Mount Kilimanjaro, I started drawing grass to show that it lives in the savanna. It took me a long time to draw all of this grass in the savanna. This elephant is alone, but most elephants live in herds. They live together with their family. All right, well, this was my photo. This was my picture, I should say, and it's of an elephant on the savanna in front of Mount Kilimanjaro. All right, that's all for today, everybody. I hope you had a good time, and I hope that I can see your pictures soon. Goodbye!